Welcome to your video on changes in dimension. Before we do the two problems that go specific to that, we're going to do one review question with area. So in this problem, it says to sketch a 3" by 5" rectangle. Doesn't matter if it's 3 by 5 or 5 by 3. Okay. And we're looking at area. So the area of this one would be 15 units squared. And then what it says is to draw a new rectangle where only the length is doubled. So it doesn't matter which one you pick to be the length, you're just gonna pick one and double it. So I'm gonna pick 3 and I'm gonna double that one. So I'm gonna have a 6 by 5 rectangle. And then the area of that length times width is going to be 30 square units. And then comparing these two, so I have my old area of 15 to my new area of 30, and we can simplify that, would be 1 to 2. You're multiplying by 2, so it's doubling. So to answer the question, if only the length is doubled, how will the area change? It doubles. All right, number 6. So this is the new stuff here that you're going to be dealing with. So how many square inches are there in 3 square feet? So 3 square feet, because of the label feet squared, okay, we know that this is talking about area because of that label. So what I'm actually being told is that the area is 3. And so I'm going to draw a rectangle that has an area of 3. And really the only way to do that is have a 1 foot by 3 foot. Okay, 1 times 3 gives you 3 feet squared. And now what you're going to do is take that rectangle and you're going to change it to inches. Okay, so now and this is labeling is super, super important. So if you notice, I have feet written here. Very important to do that because now we're going to change it to inches. So 1 foot is how many inches? And if you don't know, you're gonna have to use your cheat sheet from 9-1, your conversions. And that would be for any of the problems that you face if you don't know the conversions. So in this one, 1 foot is 12 inches. So now I'm gonna change this 1 foot, I'm gonna cross that off and I'm gonna put 12 inches, okay? And then if you really wanted to, you could draw a different rectangle here, still 1 by 3, but then it would be 12 inches, okay, if the crossing out confuses you. And then 3 feet, how many inches would that be? Well, 12 inches in every foot, that would give me 36 inches, okay? So now I have 12 inches by 36 inches, and it says how many square inches. Because of that squared symbol there, I know that I am being asked to find the area. So what is the area? You're going to take, remember, length times width for area, so you're going to multiply 12 times 36, and you get an answer of 432. Label inches squared. And there's your answer. Number 7, how many square centimeters are there in 2 square meters? So again, because of the label, you know that you're being told the area. So I'm being told the area is 2 meters squared. Okay, so when I draw my picture, I'm gonna make a 1 by 2. And it doesn't have to be to scale here, but it works since there's the lines, boxes already. So that would be a 1 meter by 2 meters would give you an area of 2 meters squared like we need. Okay, and then the question says how many square centimeters. So we're gonna have to convert these meters to centimeters. And then again, using your conversions. So 1 meter, how many centimeters is that? Well, there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So I'm going to cross off that 1 meter and turn it to 100 centimeters. And then 2 meters is 200 centimeters. Okay, if you want to redraw that, you can. It's now 100 by 200, and it's asking for that area. I know that from the label, centimeters squared. So now I'm going to take 100 times 200, and when I do that, I get 20,000, and then your label, centimeters squared. And that's it.